Understanding, circling back, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, circling back. This phrase is widely used in both casual and professional settings, and understanding it can really help in your everyday English conversations. Circling back is a phrase used to indicate returning to a previous topic or discussion. It's often used in meetings or conversations when someone wants to revisit a topic that was discussed earlier but wasn't fully resolved or needs further discussion. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting. Before we conclude, let's circle back to the budget discussion we started earlier. 2. In a casual conversation. I'm circling back to what you mentioned yesterday about the party. Are we still on for Saturday? These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts. While circling back is the most common form, there are variations. Looping back, coming back around, revisiting the topic. All these convey a similar idea of returning to a previously discussed matter. It's important to use circling back appropriately. In professional settings, it's great for meetings or emails when you need to revisit a topic. In personal conversations, use it to bring up something that was mentioned earlier but wasn't fully explored. Circling back is a handy phrase to bring conversations full circle and ensure important topics are addressed. We hope this video helps you understand and use circling back effectively in your English conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.